Hi, my name is Stacy with WTI, and I wanted to share with you my thoughts on the MacroLife Naturals Miracle Reds powder. Now, I really wanted something that would help me with post-workout recovery, but also I find that I put a lot of greens in the smoothies that I have every day, and I wanted to go with some reds because then I'm getting some servings of fruit as well. I really like it because it has goji berries, pomegranate, acai, and mangosteen. It's also gluten-free, non-GMO, and vegan. So a nice natural product. Now the consistency itself is a red powder, so it obviously has the natural ingredients in it. I put about half of this in my smoothies every day, and I find that it's enough. You could use the little scooper that it comes with as well. You can see the product. It came to about like up to here full, so it wasn't that you felt that it was a big bottle with not a lot of product, which happens sometimes. Now I have a smoothie as an example to show you. I have it in here. Now this does also have fruit in it. However, my blender blends everything up. I don't have any taste residue from this powder, and I do feel a difference in my everyday health and how I've been feeling. I've been using this for about 2 months, so definitely has added in something to my diet, and I'm very happy with being able to find it and finding a product that is naturally based and doesn't have chemicals, and also was gluten-free. I was really looking for that as well. So very happy with being able to find this. It's a great product and I would definitely recommend it. And that's my point of view.